What is the primary neuroreceptor released at the neuromuscular junction? A. Acetylcholine. B. Norepinephrine. C. Glutamate. D. Serotonin. And the correct answer is A. Acetylcholine. The primary neuroreceptor released at the neuromuscular junction is acetylcholine. It binds to receptors on the muscle cell, causing it to contract and generate movement. Which part of the nervous system is responsible for the rest and digest response? A. Sympathetic nervous system. B. Parasympathetic nervous system. C. Central nervous system. D. Enteric nervous system. And the correct answer is B. Parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system helps the body relax and recover. It slows the heart rate, increases digestion, and conserves energy, supporting the rest and digest response after stressful activities. Which neurotransmitter is released by preganglionic sympathetic neurons? A. Acetylcholine. B. Norepinephrine. C. Dopamine. D. Serotonin. And the correct answer is A. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a chemical messenger released by preganglionic sympathetic neurons. It helps transmit signals to the next neuron in the chain, which then releases another neurotransmitter to continue the response in the body's organs. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking down acetylcholine in the synaptic cleft? A. Acetylcholinesterase. B. Monoamine oxidase. C. Catechol O methyltransferase. D. Glutaminase. And the correct answer is A. Acetylcholinesterase. Acetylcholinesterase is an enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine in the synaptic cleft. This process stops the nerve signal, allowing the muscle or nerve to relax and reset for the next signal. Which type of neuron is responsible for transmitting impulses from sensory receptors to the central nervous system? A. Motor neurons. B. Sensory neurons. C. Interneurons. D. Efferent neurons. And the correct answer is B. Sensory neurons. Sensory neurons carry signals from sensory receptors like those in the skin or eyes to the central nervous system, that is, brain and spinal cord. This allows the body to detect and respond to sensations like touch, heat, or light. What is the function of the blood-brain barrier? A. To provide nutrients to brain cells. B. To protect the brain from harmful substances in the blood. C. To transmit nerve impulses. D. To remove waste products from the brain. And the correct answer is B. To protect the brain from harmful substances in the blood. The blood-brain barrier protects the brain by preventing harmful substances from the bloodstream from entering the brain. It allows essential nutrients to pass through while blocking toxins and pathogens. Which type of glial cell is responsible for myelinating axons in the central nervous system? A. Astrocytes. B. Oligodendrocytes. C. Microglia. D. Schwann cells. And the correct answer is B. Oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are a type of glial cell that produce the myelin sheath, which insulates axon in the central nervous system. This myelination helps speed up the transmission of electrical signals between nerve cells. Which condition involves the inflammation of the protective membranes covering the brain and spinal cord? A. Encephalitis. B. Meningitis. C. Myelitis. D. Neuritis. And the correct answer is B. Meningitis. Meningitis involves the inflammation of the protective membranes covering the brain and spinal cord called the meninges. Meningitis can be caused by infections from viruses, bacteria, or fungi. This inflammation can lead to symptoms like severe headache, fever, and stiff neck. Which of the following is a primary function of neuroglial cells in the nervous system? A. Transmitting nerve impulses. B. Protecting and supporting neurons. C. Initiating muscle contractions. D. Producing neurotransmitters. And the correct answer is B. Protecting and supporting neurons. Neuroglial cells support and protect neurons by maintaining their environment and aiding in their function. They help with structural support, nutrient supply, and removing waste, ensuring neurons can work efficiently. The branch-like structures of neurons are called A. Axons. B. Dendrites. C. Soma. D. Myelin sheaths. And the correct answer is B. Dendrites. The branch-like structures of neurons called dendrites receive signals from other neurons and send them to the cell body. They help in transmitting information within the nervous system. What is the cyton of a neuron also known as? A. Cell body. B. Perikaryon. C. Axon. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both A and B. The cell body of a neuron is also known as cyton or perikaryon. It is the central part of the neuron where the nucleus is located. Other names of the cell body include the neuron's soma. The gap in the myelin sheath between adjacent Schwann cells is called A. Synapse. B. Node of Ranvier. C. Dendrite. D. Axon terminal. And the correct answer is B. Node of Ranvier. The gap in the myelin sheath between adjacent Schwann cells is called the node of Ranvier. This gap allows for the rapid transmission of nerve impulses along the axon. Which type of sensory receptor is responsible for detecting changes in temperature? A. Mechanoreceptors. B. Nociceptors. C. Thermoreceptors. D. Photoreceptors. And the correct answer is Drop your answers in the comment section below. For downloading PDF content and for latest updates, follow our Telegram channel. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.